Welcome back. Let's continue building our Next.js application. This is a portfolio and blog portfolio slash blog website that I will be using myself actually. We are building this for a while now. I can't spend more than a couple of hours each week, so it has been like maybe 5-6 weeks since we started this video series, but we are coming to an end. We are fast reaching to a ending position, final phase. Whatever, I couldn't speak anyway. Here we are. So they are not written here, but we have set up our project. We have created the landing page. We have created a main layout. We have created a navigation bar, buttons, hero components, card components. We have done a lot of stuff. We have last we have built the footer. Before that we have the featured component. Also, I spent an extensive amount of time showing the check the top level render call. Okay. Key prop. Sure. I spent an extensive amount of time how to set up a project properly, how to set up a front-end project properly with the ESLint Prettier configurations, with Husky pre-commit and pre-push hooks, commit linting, etc, etc. So there is a lot of takeaways from these videos, and I know they are a bit messy, a bit sloppy, because I don't pre-plan for these videos. But in the near future there was a request for it yesterday, which makes sense. I want to make a more scripted, more organized, more structured video about how to set up a proper front-end project. We have Next.js coming up with app router. They updated their documentation. Front-end technologies receive continuous development. They see continuous development, so that is an upcoming video. I'm just announcing that. So anyway, I am happy to be doing this. I will continue doing this. This channel became an anchor in my life. One of the anchors alongside my family. So I am very content and happy with that, and I will keep focusing on the leading indicators, and less focus on the viewership, watch times, etc. So that was a note to myself. Anyway, let's continue. Let's start rather. So I wanna today, I will leave it like this. So we have the entire layout. In my opinion, we are missing the sections here on the front page. Of course, there is going to be some fine-tuning, some makeup, but for 90%, 80%, 90% of it is looking consistent, looking well organized. So I will leave it like this. Now I wanna do these page layouts. One thing is, we will have a category page for projects and for writings. I am still not sure how to if I should differentiate between projects or writings, but let's start with one of them. Then of course we will have how do you call it, we will have a post page. Post page will be easy, I think, because even with the default typography, it looks awesome. So never mind about that. Actually, let's just begin without talking. So here we are focusing on those stuff, and maybe let's post layout. So let's try to figure these out in this episode. Writings projects, maybe they are separate, maybe they are the same, and we will have a post layout. So yes. One more thing. If you are following along each episode, and if you watched the last episode before this one, for some reason writings page was rendering, but projects page were not, and it looks like there were some caching issue, or I don't know, something wrong with my IDE. That was just I restarted the Next.js application and it went away. So there we are. It is the same. We have on the navigation bar, I will quickly show it. On the navigation bar, we have a link element, goes to item.slug, which is, this data is coming from the navigation hook, and slug is the author's slug coming from the backend, which is the projects, for example. And so slash projects comes here under the projects folder index page, and here we simply go through the posts, we fetch them as static props to the page, get the posts get posts which they have their author set as projects, as it can be seen here. Author received as a parameter, optional parameter, and this is filtering against the primary author. Yes. This is a bit hacky, but I am happy with that, so I don't mind. Anyway, we get the projects posts and render their titles for now. That's about it. And this is not rendering. This is just, I realized. Okay. Data. We don't have an HTML. Yes, for the now it is not. For the post, sorry. Let me go to the ghost service. Okay, we are getting everything. So why don't we see the posts? Because they don't have a text. Okay, that is the reason. I see. My mind. So here, for example, this thing doesn't have a body. Body. He was a lonely robot, something like that. Let's put a sound. Let's put a text to the body. Nice, we get the text as well, which is cool. Okay, so let's figure it out. How should we do this? I am thinking we can do something similar to a card. We can do cards. So we can copy the featured card, and I will make some changes to that. Postcards, I don't know. Let's use this. Wait, what did I do? Hey, featured cards. Instead of featured card, we name this postcard. Test page. By the way, I realized that I didn't complete the tests. Featured cards. Select everything. Okay. You see, I haven't even applied my usual template to the featured card. So it looks like I need a lot of refactoring, tidying up, cleaning up. But you get the gist from my earlier videos. How to keep the components maintainable. Okay. Cool. So postcard should receive a post. We will can we make this entire thing a link? href will be another post slug. By the way, this should be the same for the featured card as well. And this should be v-full. So let's see how does it work. Yeah, we need to fix these stories. These stories are not working. Okay, let's focus on that later. I will remove this from my face. but there are some things that I need to fix. I will also remove this from my face. Okay, shall we continue? So I will use this postcard. Let's use it in writings. No, in projects. So we will return a postcard. Post will be post. What else do you need? You need a key. No? Why would you need a children? Ah, my bad. Okay. Cool, should be working now. Let's remove the tag from there. Okay, so now we get these cards. Nice. Now what I'm thinking is to keep the text always visible. So we will remove this beautiful revelation animation. If you are there, don't forget to drop a like, guys. That helps a lot. Thank you. So yes, let's continue. And by the way, we need the padding stuff. Yes. Let's figure this out. Most of the times I am thinking because I am trying to figure out how to do it the best. I'm just I am not acting on my initial thought, initial instinct. And I am always looking for a second opinion in my head, if that makes sense. So for example, here we need to have a layout applied to this. It should get this main layout actually, which gets this flex v-full flex column. So if we check this out in the elements, this gets flex v-full flex column. So this works. But after that, here we have nothing. The div starts. What happens in index page here is we have this flex h-full v-full flex column. So what does this do? This does is where's the padding? The padding is in the hero, in the featured. That was the compromise we have done. I remember now. Where is padding here? not the featured card, featured. So featured is a landing section. Landing section has the padding, yes. So there we are. First things first, we need to apply the padding. Okay. So what we can do is, where is the landing thing? Landing section layout. Ah. Cool. You know what? I will also copy this. I will say paste here under the layouts again. I will say to this page layout. Does it make sense? Let's see. Okay. So this should be page layout. Here. Page layout. So we should be fine here. I will make this an H1 instead of an H4, and it will take a children. That's about it. So when we come back to projects page, here this will be a page layout. It should take the title of projects, and there will be posts. Cool. One thing I want is to have this maybe left aligned or centered. I'm not sure, but this is a starting point. Cool. What did I click and not received? Yes. Okay. So it looks like, okay, first things first. Let's do an awkward one, then we can iterate on it. So we already have this thing, postcards taking full width, and in it we have this stuck to v.13. Relative. I give these attributes to this one first, and secondly this will be a flex container. It has an image and a div. Okay, and it will justify to start. Nice. I think I will remove the transitions from... Okay, let's leave the transition for now. Here I will remove this text transparent just to see how it looks. We can let this start. I think there is an absolute here. Let's remove that. These also should be removed. Okay, we are getting there. How does it look? I think it looks fine. Height full doesn't work for some reason. See how v.full looks like. v.full is working, but height full is not working. Why? Let's check it out. This is my v.full p2. And in it we have this thing. This image. Okay, this height full is not doing anything. It should refer back to the parent component. We have height full here. Group, maybe group. No, I don't think so. Flex. Let's give a height full here as well. I'm not sure. That is the console rule. Each child should have a key. Yes, I know. Response should not include unneeded headers. Okay. Yaparsın dikilince cümle alem karşına. The entire thing is a link. Nice. Like this. Is it the relative tag here? I'm just making this up now. Let's remove this transition. What I want is, I just want this shade to extend entirely, and that is that is stuck in this container, div container, but the div container doesn't get a full height. And computed height is 91. But why? Because this thing has a height. Flex H full. I want this to have a full height as well. Why is it not working? Yaparsın dikilirse cümle alem karşına. Ah korkma padişahım, utanıp sıkılma. Ver hesabını, sonra gel geç karşıma. I don't see the point. I don't see the group flags. Can remove the group from this one. Oh, group is an important thing. Let's keep the group. The only thing is the height. Why? It is perplexing. Look at this. This is the topmost component, and a thing, nice. This thing has a full height. For example, if I come here and if I delete the H full, nothing changes. Okay. So v full is working, but height full is not working. Huh? What? Wait, I removed height full classes and suddenly it works. Why? By the way, where is it? Where is this used? This is not used anywhere. Okay. Justify item center Z10. I am not sure, man. Okay, this is working now. We even have some real estate to put some excerpts from the post. So if we include excerpts, it is a very weird word to pronounce. This excerpt, this summary of the, if we fill this box, we can even show that there. So let's say this is a summary, something like this. I am not sure. So if we update this, if we come back here, and in between these two, I can even make them small. Remember the tag element we created last time, or added to our typography collection? So we can have here post.summary, not summary, what is it? Excerpt, yes. It's not an excerpt, right? Can you update it? Updated, maybe I should refresh. Okay, cool. I like this. On top of that, I wanna say this justifies start, but this image I will put class flex 1 and justify items and get this open. Select this. What? No, I didn't want to click that. I want to select this. I want to use its hover state. Hover state for this. Nice, okay. So let's see. This thing classes justify and doesn't work. Flex 1. Okay. How can I put this at the end of the of itself? What is that? That is new. Maybe flex item. If I say h-full on this one, what happened? The thing is, it's placing of the, this is self-contained. I want it to be on the bottom. Or maybe this is, if we move this to the top of the food chain, we don't need any of this. Okay, I can live with this. We can just slightly put a half rem margin. Sorry about that. What else? For the projects. I think this looks fine. And we have, of course, we need a background. It's another thing. Or we make the navbar like navbar should have an alternative. I need to sit straight. I don't use this anywhere. That is disturbing. Anyway, let's fix the navbar, by the way. So we have an intent now, or not the intent. How can we call it? Navbar container. Let me see the navbar container. Header. Okay. So if this header has a background, this is the entirety of it. And I feel like it needs to have a padding as well. Yeah. So I want a P2 here, a slight padding, even the slightest. Yes. So now we can say if the variant is I don't really like it. If the variant is primary, I don't. Can I say BG transparent? Yes, why not? If it is colored, I don't know. Let's say transparent. primary gives me bg primary. I'm gonna go with 900 basically. Okay, let's do this. So we can put text gray to here and to here, and let's say light, I don't know, bg primary 50, not gray, primary 50, and text gray. Gray 900, bg gray 50, text gray 900. So we are immersing the stuff. Okay. So we need that thing now. This thing. Or the navbar. So we will say navbar props bar container, and it will receive an intent of string. So we will say intent, and we pass intent here. Nice. So let's go. Where do we use navbar? And equals transparent. But the problem is I don't this is how we get okay. Should I apply the router path name context? Main layout. I don't really remember the thing, by the way. Why I am sitting going down? I wanna say router. Use router. Do we have use router here in Next.js? Nice. So we can say we can say intent is router dot head name. Something like this, yes. I will apply it like this for now. This should be primary. But we can figure out a better way to do this. Let's see. Okay. I need a home page button on my navbar. So in the landing page, we don't have a background. Here we have this nice, working good with our team background for our navbar. Okay, I am happy with this. Why not? Cool. Now I will focus on the post page. Let's go. So we have this working for ourselves. I will copy this thing. I will put it under the projects. So let's look at this together. This is a slug page. It will read the slug from the parameters. And we will go fetch the single post according to slug. That works. This should be an H1. Let's see how it looks. This is also like there is a blocking. No, not for this one. Never mind. Which one? Okay, let's see this. Okay. When we click that, let me go back. Postcard. So link is post.slug. Sure. And when we click that, it should go to a slug page. I want to rerun this. Slug item.slug. So pets are created like this, and we get the single post. Let's see what do we have here. So we have these stuff and post components. Let's do it like this and run again. Okay, we are here. We go to projects. Then we go to the post. Not working. This page is not there. That is because of my stupidity. Sorry about that. This should, where is it? Postcard. Oh, that is the problem. For now, I am doing this for now. We need to make this dynamic. It should be like this. Yes. Okay, you know what? This thing also can get a category. I will get the category here and we will put the category here. So now for the postcard, where do I use that? Here. I will say category is projects. Yes. Now this should also work. Wait, what? Yep. Okay. Why? Check the link here. What is this link? Why? Over. What? This is okay. Why? When is this? When does this happen? Oh, what? Plug projects. Why do you show me? What? This is really weird. Oops. It doesn't make sense to me. What am I missing here? Link components. Link. I am puzzled here. It doesn't make any sense. What happened to my... Okay, why? Kill all mıydı, nasıldı? Anyway, 2001. This happens because of the postcard thing here. This happens because I put this thing here. Or this initial slash. Is it about the initial slash? I have no idea. I'm just making this up. This is not cool, man. Why? What? I shouldn't have to. Hackney. I don't have to do this. What the hell? Routing, linking and navigation. Is it about this? No. It doesn't matter. I used the router here. Was it? In the main layout. Honestly, I have no idea. Very weird. I honestly have no idea. Is it because I am building this on the client side? No. Slug is always the thing. href is always the item slug. So what is broken is main layout. The only thing perhaps is what I'm thinking. Is it this? I have no idea really. Bar. We are using main layouts here. I think everything checks out. I don't see anything. Next.js base URL changes to folder link component. What the? Link component gets confused. Uh-huh. I have a popover menu. When I click on correctly to the path. Okay. Okay. So it is here or in the postcard. Okay, I already put that there. Products. Okay, I did that. Should I do it everywhere? Let's go to the numbers. Why not? I shouldn't have to. Or should I? Okay. Let's try it. I mean, that is... No, I don't accept that. It doesn't make sense. I'm sorry, but it doesn't. What is this? Footer. This doesn't make sense. I'm sorry, it doesn't make sense. I don't remember this detail. It doesn't make sense to me. Okay, I think we are good. We are good to go. What I will do is I will also apply the thing, the heading thing on the Slack page here. So we will say here page layout. It is post title. This can be undefined. Really? Are you sure? Let's make it like this for now. Okay, I am happy with this. I am happy with what we have achieved today. What we have done is we have done the layouts for the pages. We have done this postcard. Kind of repeats, imitates, but this is a consistent design language also. Kind of repeats what we have in the landing page, in the featured cards. It is the same, similar, or whatever. So this is cool. I will also add technology icons here. Let's do it on the next episode, next live stream. So for example, here for this one we have Next.js, OpenAI. Their logos will be present here as a list to the right of this toolbox, something like that. And we can do a similar thing for the writings, but I don't like this layout on the post page. I want this to be left aligned. I want to apply the padding. Let's do it. I don't like this. Let's go back. Come on. No? Okay. Class name. I just want to apply padding X. How does it do? That is more likely. That is more like it. I like this better. We can have breadcrumbs. I don't think I need breadcrumbs, but we can. It never hurts to have some back button here, because it is what people used to. Having a back button just here, a very small, unopinionated, very subtle back button. It would help. Okay, I think I am happy for the results here. Cool. Let's end it here. Please subscribe and leave a like. It helps a lot with the discovery. YouTube gods, help me when you like. That's it. On Sunday we have a national election in Turkey. I wish the best for my country and for the